Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, I Deepani Bhardwaj welcomes you all again, and today we are going to discuss the previous year questions of quantitative aptitude. So we'll be discussing important questions, and along with that we'll be also understanding that what all things are there via which we can reduce our steps so that we can solve these type of questions. Fine. So let's start with our first question. The first question is, here direction is given, what value will come in the place of question mark in the following question. So here, in spite of question mark, if you take it as a x, it seems quite simple, isn't it? So this question will become x square plus 473 is equal to 24 cross 43 minus 66.66% of 501. And you clearly know that this is the equation in which BODMAS rule is going to be used, isn't it? And you clearly know that here it's a sequence order in which you have to solve the equation. First you will be solving out brackets, then off, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, isn't it? But I have to tell you one more thing. Whenever 50% comes, if you'll solve it as 50 by 100, and then you'll solve it out that 50 ones are 50 and 50 into 2 is 100, so it will give you 1 by 2. It will take a lot of time. If you directly knows 50% is 1 by 2, 25% is 1 by 4, 33% is 1 by 3, so 33.133 is 1 by 3. In similar fashion, if you know that 66.66% can be written as 2 by 3, it would be quite simple, isn't it? So we can do what? X square plus 473 is equal to 24 cos 43 minus 2 by 3 of, you know that we have to multiply here. If you write it like this, it would be quite simple, isn't it? Now let's try to solve it out. Now you can directly solve it out. X square plus 473 is equal to, it is 1032, fine, and this will directly solve you out by dividing it by 3, fine, and it will directly give you out 698. And you know that it is 473 in this side. If it will go there, it would be of minus, so x square is equal to 698 minus 473, and that is equal to 225. And we are not going to take the LCM or any other method by which you are going to solve it out, because you clearly know that it is the square of what? It is the square of 15. So your answer is what? Answer is 15. Fine. So your option number B is correct. In this equation, the only thing I wanted to tell you is that in spite of solving this percentage, directly try to understand that there are some of the percentages whose direct value are to be known. Fine. So here 2 by 3 was used. Directly you have multiplied here. You will get some value. You will multiply it. You will subtract it and again subtract it. And the main thing is that here only two concepts are there that I want to tell you. First of all, use this concept. And second, try to learn the squares and cubes directly so you do not waste time in the bank examination, because in banking examination you know very well that the main thing which matters there is your speed and accuracy, because students knows each and everything, but at the end moment the only thing is that all the questions are not attempted, and when all the questions are not attempted, the next person who knew the best method to solve them won the race. So you have to win the race, then you have to follow these methods. Next question is, again a direction is given. What should come in place of the question mark in the following number series? It's 200, 193, 179, 158. Here you can assume it as x. Here it is 95. Now try to solve it out. Now if you solve it out, here's a sequence order is given: 200, 193, 179, 158. Here let it be x, 95. Now you can see its difference. Its difference is what? Its difference is 7. Its difference is 14. Its difference is 21. We don't know about its difference, so we can't tell about this also. But we can see one thing, that some sort of thing is going on which we already know, and that is the multiplication of 7. 7 ones are 77, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos is 14, 7 into 3 is 21. That means we can assume it can be 7 fours are 28. So let's try to check it out. If you will subtract 158 by 28, some value will come, isn't it? 158 minus 28 is going to give you out 130. Is there 130 in the option? Yeah, it is the option number E. But let us check it out. 7 4s are 28, but 7 5s are 35, isn't it? Now, try to make the difference of 35 with 130, and yeah, we can see that if 30 would be subtracted, it would be 100, and if we are subtracting 35, it is 95. So our correct answer is 130. In this, just check by the subtraction or addition method what sequence order is coming. Here we can see that it is the multiplication of 7 that is going on, isn't it? So our answer is 130. So option number E is correct. Next question. In the next question, again some sort of series is given. Now let's check it out. What should come in the place of question mark in the following series? 3, 43, 81, 115, 143 and X. So it's 3, 43, 81, 115, 143 and the X. Fine. As I already told you, there can be some sort of difference or some sort of addition, but here we can clearly see that there is no sort of differences there, so we will be using addition concept. So here, if you will add by 40, then 43 will come. Here if you will add 38, then only this will come. Here if you will add by 34, then it will come. Then 28, but here you have no idea that what will be used. But is there any sequence order that is maintained? Here's 40, then 38, then 34, then 28. I don't think so that you are going to see any difference, but yeah, now you will able to clearly see that it is a difference of 2. Fine. Now, if I'll again see that here's a difference of 4. If I'll move further, here's a difference of 8. Fine. Now, sorry, here's a difference of 6. Sorry. Here's a difference of 6. Now, we don't know its difference. Now we can do one thing. We can just see what sequence order is here. It's 2, then 4, then 6. That means here 2 stable is going on, isn't it? So it would be 8 here for sure. Now if it would be 8 here, now taking the 8 difference of 28, 28 minus 8 is going to give you 20. And when it is 20, what you can do? You can just add up 20 with 143, because here difference was like this, na? So 143 plus 20 is going to give you out what? 163. And is there 163 option? Yeah, it's in option number C. So what's the correct answer? The correct answer is option number C. As simple as that. Next question. Next question is, what should come in the place of question mark in the following number series? That is 50, 54, 45, 61, 36 and then X. So we can write it down so that we can clearly understand what does it want to say. 50, 54, 45, then 61, 36 and then X. Now, you can see here that in this sequence order, if I check its difference, it's what? It's plus 4 here. Then here the subtraction is there, that is minus 9 is there. Then plus 16 is there. Then minus 25 is there. And here we are not aware because here the value is X. Fine. Now, if I'll check with this sequence order, I know that it is going to give me what? It was plus 4 here, then it was minus 9, then it was plus 16, then it was minus 25. And this is clearly showing me that here, first it is the 2's square, then it is 3's square, then it is 4's square, then it's 5's square. That means here 6 square will come. But it was in alternating way. Here plus 2 square was there, here minus then plus, then minus. That means here it would be plus. And we clearly note what is 6 square. We clearly know that 6 square is 36. But here plus sign would be there. So it would be plus 36 here. That means 36 plus 36 is going to give you out what? It is going to give you out 72. Now, for these type of question, you have seen that three different methods were there. It is possible that it was directly you can see the sequence order. If not directly, then again try to check it out. Is there any difference? And if in that also it is not there, prior to that you can check, is there any cube or square that is made as here square was made. So finally you can get your answer. So is there any 72 option? Yeah, option number B is giving 72. Hence our option is option number B. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is, direction is given, what should come in the place of question mark in the following number series? That is 9, 45, 180, 540, then X, then 1080. Let's try to solve it out. What they have given? They have given 45, starting was with 9, 45, 180, 540, then X, then comes 1080. Now, is there any addition subtraction sequence going on? Is there any multiplication division concept going on? But I am able to see that here multiplication concept can come. It's possible. So it's 9 5s are 45. Now, if I talk about 45 with 180, so 45 cross 4 gives me 180. 180 cross 3 gives me 540. Here X is coming, so I am unable to tell you what can come. Now, I can see that here's some sort of descending order that is going on, or rather I can say there is a subtraction of 1 that is going on. First there was 5, then minus 1 it became 4, then minus 1 it became 3. Let's try minus 1, that is maybe it may be 2. So let's check it out. 540 cross 2 will give you what? 1080. But for the confirmation, as per the sequence order it was 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, it will give you what? It will give you 1. So 1080 cross 1 is 1080. Hence the option must be matching with it. Which option is matching with it? Option number A is matching. So you clearly know that option number A is correct. So for all these questions, the only thing is that just make your concept clear. Practice as much as you can so that you can be aware of each and every coding, decoding part that can come. Fine. I'll not say coding, decoding because that is reasoning's part, but it may be the sequence orders part, but that will come only after practice. So you have seen that all these questions were having different tricks. They were not difficult, but the only thing was that you must be aware what concept is to be used so that you can solve this question within no time. Fine. So we have discussed these questions, previous year's questions. We will be bringing more questions for you. So keep liking it, commenting on it, and share as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.